Did you know you can create a scene to bookmark a snapshot of time in your timeline? Using a calendar year as an example, you could create scenes of just January, the second quarter, or the entire year. This allows you to quickly jump to a particular time frame you have saved. First, position the timeline to show the time frame and event card size you would like to save. Tap the Scene button in the bottom right. Tap New Scene and give it a name. Your saved scenes will appear in the Scene button pop-up and in the list of scenes in the sidebar. Tap a saved scene to jump to that scene in your timeline. Long press on the scene in the sidebar to edit the name, select all events in a scene, or delete a scene.